There is one piece of very important information that you're going to want to hear about the FAA Remote ID rule announcement today. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. As regular viewers will know, only a short time ago, about an hour ago, I held a live stream to explain the FAA announced rule. In that live stream, we looked through the executive summaries. Now, one factor which is of concern to an awful lot of drone flyers across the US is how that remote ID is going to be emitted. In that live stream, we did confirm that that will be happening via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but we wanted to bring some slightly more explicit news from the main 470-page remote ID rule itself. And that information is as follows. The agency has also eliminated the requirement to transmit remote identification message elements through the internet to a remote ID USS, which will decrease costs to operators by eliminating the potential for subscription fees. This simple part of the paragraph, the top part of the paragraph here, is confirming that as we suspected on the live stream, because the remote ID will be transmitting via Bluetooth or via wireless, you will not need a connection to the internet for that particular remote ID. Now, whether or not the app itself is going to need to be connected to the internet at various points or regularly updated, we don't know. But it does mean that when you're flying your drone out in the wild, they have eliminated the need for that to be over the internet, and therefore removed the need for any kind of subscription-based service relating to remote ID. So that is a specific piece of information that I wanted to bring you. For anyone that missed it, there's a link in the description to our 40-minute live stream where we go across the FAA email and the 2 executive summaries, which includes changes to the Part 107 exams, both the initial and the recurrent, as well as changes to things like night waivers and the ability to fly over people. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you wouldn't mind, if you're still watching this video now, hit the like button. But we'll see you in the next video. Happy New Year, guys.
The show's over. You know this. We do this every single time. Come on, guys. A bit of privacy. It's embarrassing.